Login loop error on Plum App Fix. If you're stuck in a frustrating login loop on the Plum app where you enter your details, log in, and instantly get bounced back to the sign-in screen, you're not alone. Most people think it's a password issue, but here's the surprising truth. It's usually a small data conflict between your app browser or stored session data. Luckily, the fix is simple. First, close the Plum app completely, not just minimize it. Then, clear your cache. On iPhone, go to Settings, find the Plum app, and tap Offload App or Clear Data. On Android, head to Settings, Apps Plum, and choose Clear Cache. If you're using the web version, open your browser settings and clear cookies and cached files. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Outdated versions of Plum often cause login sessions to fail because of new security or token updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play and check for any pending updates. If you're still stuck, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Some networks block secure login cookies without you realizing it, which can cause that endless loop. You should also disable autofill temporarily and type in your email and password manually. Autofill can sometimes insert hidden spaces or outdated login tokens that confuse the authentication system. Finally, restart your phone before trying again. This clears temporary memory that might still be holding corrupted session data. Once you log back in, your session should remain stable and you'll have full access to your Plum dashboard and savings insights. So remember, when you're trapped in that login loop, it's not your password or the app's servers. It's simply your device holding on to old login data. Clear it out, refresh your connection, and you'll be back to managing your money with Plum in just a few minutes.